Good afternoon, everybody. I presume that you people are already through with large amount of academic, intellectual, and operational inputs. I would rather start with the basic concept of Homeland Security, and we'll add S&T to Homeland Security later. Homeland Security becoming a nomenclature which is today being used globally. If we give it a thought, it is precisely for the reason that in the last 10 years, this whole concept of Homeland Security has been able to provide a positive and a proactive response to terrorism in the US. We don't use the term Homeland Security in India. Nonetheless, we have different systems by which we provide Homeland Security. There are 23 different organizations in the US which were seamlessly merged to create a system which has proved its worth from 2001 till 2011. If 9/11 was the epitome of destructive use of IT, then Abbottabad operations has been the most proactive use of IT and IT-enabled services. The precision which IT provides, the precision which geospatial technology provides, the third eye, fourth eye, fifth eye, which we are not able to, what is there, we are not able to see. We cannot see the correlations of millions of pieces of data. We don't have 35 centimeter or 35-inch resolution imagery. We don't have a imagery corporation in this country. We don't have a large number of other things as well. Nonetheless, it is an accepted fact that IT provides the platform, proper, coordinated, the ability and capability already demonstrated to provide the real, true, actionable response to our war on terror. End of the day, Homeland Security and safe and secure cities, they are our response to war on terror. We are living in a world where asymmetric warfare is the norm. Every single living space which we occupy is a battlefield. When, how, and for what shortcomings it becomes a battlefield is a precise issue which we are supposed to address ourselves. I presume that you people have gone through 4 very, very detailed and worthwhile sessions. Nonetheless, I'd like to repeat that the real IT journey starts from this session. It will be our endeavor to provide you an overview which would be a food for thought on which you can build up your own thought process as to how the IT would provide the real, correct, true, appropriate, worthwhile, well-coordinated, orchestrated, rehearsed response to our war on terrorism. We have with us a very eminent panel, starting with Mr. Vikas Sharma. He is a Bachelor of Technology from IIT Delhi. He is the CEO of Sunworks Consultants Private Limited. He has developed world's first and only GPRS-based mobile video calling system working on 2G mobile devices. Has 3 international patents in the area of security processes. Today he would be talking on internet monitoring, invasive penetration testing, that is ethical hacking as a tool, and communication intelligence systems, and would also touch upon comprehensive threat assessment system. Mr. Sandeep Bangia, he is Director, Public Sector Industry Business Unit in Oracle Corporation, BE and MBA. He facilitates the development and adoption of solutions for government customers through Oracle's broad range of technology, applications, and hardware products. I found extremely fascinating while preparing for a presentation on asymmetric warfare for Geointelligence Asia that the same RDBMS which Oracle uses, the geospatial imagery can also be a part of the input, and the output of the RDBMS would provide you the results of the geospatial component as well. He has 2 decades of experience with over 15 years at Oracle. He was the head of the supply chain management and presently handles the e-governance initiatives at Oracle. His basic theme of using information technology for creating actionable intelligence, detecting threats real time based on fusion of multiple databases. Anything related to database, and today the world itself has become a database, please contact Oracle. Nikhil Karan Taneja, Country Manager, India and SAC, Radware India Private Limited, MTech and MBA. He would be dealing with IT for analysis of network and application security threats. Mr. Sanjeev Chauhan, Technical Manager, Radware, would also be assisting his boss in the same exercise. So we have monitoring, we have network and application security, and finally, Mr. Sumant Madhishetty. He is the Solution Sales Leader of CA Technologies. He has a Master's in Computer Science and Engineering, and he will tell us how to protect IT networks against internal and external threats. From website to networks, we are all exposed to the evil world of hacking. What we intend to do over the course of an hour or 15 minutes is, after this opening remarks, the panelists, they would give a presentation for anything between 12 to 15 minutes. And after we close on the presentations of the panelists, we'd go in for a question-answer session. And with the question-answer session, we'll conclude this session. So I would request Mr. Vikas Sharma to come over to the dais and give his presentation regarding internet monitoring, ethical hacking as a positive tool, and comprehensive threat assessment system. Thank you.